Question number 96. Reproduction is not seen in non-living objects. Still, it's not a defining feature of all living organisms, because we say that a defining feature is a feature of living organisms which is present in all living organisms without exception, and secondly, it should not be shown by any non-living object. The second point is true for reproduction. Reproduction is not seen or it is not shown by any non-living object, but still it is not under the category of defining feature. Why? Because it is not present in all living organisms. Some organisms are exceptions to it, such as infertile couples, mules, worker honeybees. They do not reproduce at all, which makes the reproduction the characteristic feature, not the defining feature. So let's see the options. First option, some organisms reproduce asexually only. No. If organisms reproduce asexually only, it means they are reproducing, then it cannot be the exception to the reproduction. Second one, some organisms do not reproduce at all. Yes, if organisms do not reproduce, there are exceptions to reproduction, and which makes the reproduction a characteristic feature. So this is the correct option. Third one, those organisms which are infertile also do not show all other characteristics of living beings. Not true at all. Fourth one, reproduction is synonymous with growth in multicellular organisms. No. Reproduction is synonymous with growth in unicellular organisms, because when they grow, they divide into two cells, and this is also reproduction because number is increasing. So the correct option for the given question is option number 2. Question number 97. Choose the incorrect statement about cyanobacteria. First option, they are gram-negative prokaryotes. It is correct. They have chlorophyll A similar to green plants. It is also correct, as chlorophyll A is the universal pigment. Fourth one, they are mainly freshwater forms. It is also correct. Third one, they can fix atmospheric nitrogen but not the atmospheric CO2. They can fix atmospheric nitrogen means they are involved in the nitrogen fixation. Atmospheric nitrogen is fixed into ammonia with the help of cyanobacteria. They can also fix the atmospheric CO2, and hence they are autotrophic organisms, because autotrophic organisms can fix the atmospheric CO2 into carbohydrates. So cyanobacteria are also autotrophic. They can fix atmospheric CO2. So this is incorrect statement. So the correct option for the given question is option number 3. Let's move to the next question. Question number 98. Photosynthesis in purple sulfur bacteria does not require. Photosynthesis in purple sulfur bacteria. Purple sulfur bacteria perform an oxygenic photosynthesis. What does it mean? It means they do not evolve O2 during photosynthesis. It means water is not involved, or water is not the source of electron. Instead, H2S is the source of electron. So they require reducing power, of course. Solar energy, yes, because they are photosynthetic. Atmospheric CO2, of course. Water as source of electron, no. So the correct option for the given question is option number 4. Let's move to the next question. Question number 99. Read the following statements and select the correct option. Statement A. Members of basidiomycetes do not reproduce sexually. Statement B. Members of basidiomycetes do not have sex organs. Members of basidiomycetes means club fungi. Club fungi lack sex organs, but they reproduce sexually with the help of somatogamy. So see the statement B. Club fungi do not have sex organs. It is true. Statement A. Club fungi do not reproduce sexually. It is wrong because they reproduce sexually. The members of deuteromycetes or the fungi imperfecti, they do not reproduce sexually, but club fungi reproduce sexually. So B is true and the A is false. So the correct option for the given question is option number 2. Let's move to the next question. Question number 100. Agents consisted of abnormally folded proteins and discovered by Alper et al. What are these agents? These agents are prions, because prions are abnormally folded proteins, or you can say they are infectious proteinaceous particles which were discovered by Alper et al. Now, they contain RNA as genetic material? No, they are just proteinaceous particles. They do not have RNA or any kind of genetic material. Second, they cause scrappy disease in sheep. Yes, they can cause many diseases such as Kuru disease, scrappy disease. So it is true. Third one, do not cause any infection. No, they cause infection, and that's why they are causing the disease. They are called viroids. No, they are called prions. So the correct option for the given question is option number 2. Let's move to the next question.